Drink Salsabil, a reputable company, health products. Drink from the Garden of Eden of Zailysky Alatau is now available for everybody. It is created on the basis of balsam, rebirth and spring water. Salsabil is a natural immunogen ready for usage. The main ingredient of the new product is formulation containing valuable trace element iodine. It allows protecting body from aging, increases immunity. Salsabil will help to overcome influenza and cold only for 3 days. For this, it is enough to drink 1 bottle per day. Moreover, for reinforcement of the effect, it is possible to gargle with it. Thus, in autumn, it should become a habit to drink Salsabil. The drink is comfortable because, unlike suspensions, rebirth, it is not necessary to dilute it. Rich with iodine, Salsabil will increase health every day. Age and doses are not limited, the producers assure. The new product can be used as a natural energetic drink. Salsabil is sold in drugstores at price not higher than 450 tangas. MTI Medical holds action 1+1. When you buy a balsam rebirth, you will receive this new drink Salsabil as a gift. Consultation by telephone number. New technologies in oncology right for modern and quality prevention.